Imagine. Imagine you're the hero. What story will you create?
Where will I go? How about a magical forest? It sure is dark. Let's have the fairies light the way. Oh, a flying broom! A monster! Quick, the secret exit! Safe again at my castle by the sea. With majestic flying whales! Whoa, a mermaid! What an adventure! Just like in my dreams.
And you? Where will your story take you? With Lunii, awaken your imagination.
Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe. We're building a community of global experts in communication, education and language learning. Join us by visiting our website www.languagelearningmarket.com and be sure to tag #languagelovers on any social media platform to promote your business or products on our social feeds.